Another buy here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Right in that 600, so he needs to blow past it. See if we can get some afternoon trades. Alright, we got a buy signal. I took it because it looks like it's really good off this trend line here. If it breaks above this, then we moonin. Gold looks... Gold's up in the air right now. It looked really good shorts here, but we didn't get another one. Alright, let's go. Hi. It's got to get past this yellow zone. Get past this yellow zone, bully bear bounce will be good, but it's kind of rejecting a bit. Could go to 23,586. Okay, this is good. I just made this line here. Right to the 50. Now bouncing. Said Ali. What's up, man? Can you guys hear me? Just want to double check. Holmes, did you trade anymore? Just looking at it, looked like it was a fucking grind. See this here? This is where I need to see if we just go above the fair value gap. Maybe we should have got out in this one. I didn't trade this. I got off, but because we already made our profit. Let me check TikTok. TikTok. Oh, you made your amount already? Mic check. Mic check. I feel like there's static a little bit in the background. I just turned off my Spotify and it stopped. I don't know if you guys hear that too. Yeah. Holmes. Holmes should keep that forever now, Christine, since you pointed that out. Just 2 micro longs. And it's kind of choppy too. The reason why I took that is because we have the trend lines here. And it looks like it's bouncing off. So I figured it'd be a nice little... a risk for the long. But if it starts cracking below into here, then we'll get out.
Daddy, is that you? Is that you? It's Connor. Dun 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 dun. Welcome to Bully Bear's Trading. All aboard the mother effing train.
There's no sound? How is there no sound? I just checked.
Some people think that funny how
Mic check.
mic check.
There's definitely sound. Breakthrough. Raya? Let's just see. Yeah, I can hear myself. What are you talking about? Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check. Just gonna adjust my volume on my mic. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Okay. So we're in a micro long here, only because the trend line just keeps bouncing. We gotta buy. So let's see what happens. And we're going into that 600s. That's what really needs to break through. And we can check again. Whoa!
Funny how,
Hello.
hello.
And we have a green candle. Let's bring some life to this.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Can't say your name, but welcome. The Bully Bears Trading. Soul Train. Oh, it's going up.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna take
Order filled.
I'm gonna close it.
Order
We
filled.
didn't get that fucking top, but that was a nice wick. Nice wick there. So we just got out. Fed Williams just said, I see reduced upside risk to inflation from tariffs. That's exactly probably what just fucking ripped that, by the way. Damn. We're cutting some security funds for European countries bordering Russia. The candle wick was at my stop loss line. I'm going to start using that as my reversal, I think. I don't know. I mean, if you look at this, it looks like a great trend, right? I'm gonna look at your picture in a second. That's your stop loss. You're saying that you should be putting your stop loss further? I mean, it's liquidity sweeping, basically. Joe, what's up, man? You... But what's your main reason of getting in that anyway? Gotcha. Is it really far up though? The stop loss? Let's look at gold still. See, gold looks like it wants to go up now. But we should stick to the 1 minute. You change each time based off of sweeping. Oh, XX with the gift. With the gift. Hey Joe, can you hear me? Somebody came here and said they can't hear me. But I hear myself. I checked. Okay, cool. Cool. All right, another buy off of this zone here. We could risk it. But if it starts cracking down through there, fuck yeah, that's awesome. Especially because today was hard, dude. Let's see. Daily. How'd you do today? Okay, that was a good bounce. I'm actually liking this.
Order filled.
It's a gamble because we're playing this balance play. If it starts going below, then we're gonna have to get out. Oh shit. Yeah, it's been a rough fucking day, so don't feel like you missed anything. Let's see if it's a liquidity grab. I'm probably just gonna get out break even if it comes up a little bit. Because this looks like it's been respecting all day. But if it doesn't, then it's gonna fucking pile drive. Maybe we should just get out.
Order filled.
Let's just get out. Let's not gamble. Good. You didn't miss anything. As it comes back up. Woo, this is a hard market. I don't want to give back money for no reason. So yeah, there was a buy signal here, but when it starts going below the cloud, it usually means it's a warning system, but it just keeps grinding. Grinding. Oof. Risky. Sometimes it works, but I don't advise it. That's like at your own risk there. Cause anytime like I try to like say, hey, you can take one at orange and yellow, it's totally up to you, but if it's a waterfall, you're fucked. What the fuck? Holmes, I am speechless. Yeah. Nice. That green line is your, what, average of the pullbacks? It's fucking hilarious. Let's see. You think Power Hour will be juicy though? I fucking hope something. I just want it to trade normal. Gotcha. Not candle bodies for wicks. That's a pretty cool indicator then. Strong fingers. Take my strong hand. Take my strong hand. I wonder if it's more like this, guys. That's what it looks like. I mean, they're still kind of going below them. I feel like I can still psych you out there. That makes sense? It's hard. That's something probably hard to really fucking code, to be honest with you. I mean, I like that demand zone thing. Or is that like my Bully Bears bounce? Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I think once this cracks, though, it's going. See how long it respected it? I mean, we respected it since 1 o'clock, all the way up. Keeps going. Amazon, we will support AI skill training for 4 million US learners. Huh. I feel like this would be the best time to short right now if we were
Order
to.
filled.
Again, no clear signals at all. We're just going off of some price action here.
Order filled.
VIX has stabilized while SPY has grinded up. I think because bad data will mean interest rate cut. Most likely. In like 1 week. The demand is counted as because of supply reversal, but I've just has called it demand other than supply reversal. The hard part of code is based off of how far it code's out to where it can still be affected and count. Yep. Welcome to the difficulty. Because data is always coming in different. Wow. This is a fucking weird market. Alright, all it did was just come back up and retest. I thought this was maybe the retest, but this looks like the retest here. So most likely it's going to continue down. If that line respects. God damn. 5,000 likes already? You guys fucking rock. I don't know where this can go. We won't be too crazy with this, I can tell you that. 590s. Literally a scalp play. My man. How do I get more? How come I can only do these? Select few. Cricket, cricket. I heard it. Oh, here it goes. It's getting real fucking messy here. I wonder if it wants to go down lower. I don't know. It's getting real whippy. You only got 6 sounds? I'm going to upgrade it soon. I'll buy the VIP thing for it. Small scalp because it broke the trend line. MNQ. Still risky though. Just to let you know. Look at the price lately. I think the other one probably gives you more. When I upgraded Discord, I was just trying to wait for a little bit more members before I pay money. I think. It's just 24 you can get. These trades are really fucking weird. No news. Like, there's no trend in my opinion here. Like, we clearly broke below it. And then it went up. If this continues up higher, we can hold it a little bit, but after that we'll have to close it. Oh, the 4-hour one? You think up here? Alright, that won't be cool. 680? And in reality, I think this one's would be more 740. Holy shit. Or do you think it's gonna bounce here? I mean, the 5 minutes been riding the entire day too. We can always just go off of that. To 613. So the one that it's at right now, gotcha. I don't know if it's gonna I guess it could bounce around here. But if it does break this, there's 2 hours left of that candle. If it breaks, it's definitely going up though. Yeah, see, it looks like it wants to take it. If it goes up too much higher, then we'll have to get out. But we are oversold, so let's see what happens. Overbought. And maybe we might have to switch to the 5 minute and just trade off the cloud, because that's what's been kind of working. Or we don't have to fucking trade at all. And we just wait and watch and talk. I'm gonna add into this.
Order filled.
Just doing adding into that short. And it's not gonna be a huge one, guys. It's really not. Like,
Order filled.
I'm not sold on this shit. Maybe back to the 600s. Oh no, mine's not RSI. A lot of my stuff has a lot of price action involved into it. See, it went from yellow to green. Just needed to clap below the 609s. I'm hoping it does, because it's been choppy the whole time, so why the fuck want to do it again? But you know how the market is, yo. still really difficult to fucking trade, that's for sure. I mean, look at this line here. Why wouldn't this pull back? Maybe this line, no. Dude, that's the fucking tip top. I wonder if you're right, X6. If this can close here and not break above, then this could be like that fucking tip top where reverse is. And if that's true, then this is gonna go down a lot more. But that's just a guess, I don't know yet. True too. That's what I'm thinking too. I was like, ah. But it looks peaky. But you are correct. That's what I was saying before. I'm like, if it could break that 4-hour, if it breaks that 4-hour fucking this gap here, like it looks like it clearly is. But what if it whips back? That's the problem looking at these 4 hours, because you know, they're a lot longer term. I mean, you got your 1 hour here that literally just touched it. Let's keep breaking it down. Let's see. 15-minute. Right in the middle of it. The 5. The 5 has a lot to go, it looks like. Is there a fair value up there? Oh, there's not. Just barely a small one. Yeah, I'm curious to see how this reacts here. Plus, I have the 61% pullback Bully Bears bounce here in the larger time frame, or the larger pullback, sorry. So it's huge. From this top to this bottom, this is the pullback zone. So we're about to figure out what's going to happen right here. We're either going to get fucking icicled to death, or win. Gold still no good, man. Alright, so this closed finally, so let's see what this is. Could be something like this. Whatever it is, it looks real tiny. Give or take that top line. It's gotta wait a little bit. Damn, what a buy. Come on. Come on. Do one at like barely any profit. Alright, looks like it's cracking out of there a little bit. But it needs to crack out of the second one. It's been testing me, so I'm going to take out a little bit in between here. Insane if that stops there. I quit. I quit. Let's see. No news yet that I see. I'm wondering if it wants to hit the 615s and then bounce down. Into a red candle. I like it. I like it. I like it. Did we get a red candle before? Not really, no. So if that sticks, it's the first red candle in a long, long time. What the fuck is going on? This shit is refusing to fall. What the fuck is going on? This shit is refusing to fall. I'm in a short, but it's really risky. It's not following through as great as I would like. And it comes back up with a buy. Like it's really weird. It's waiting for something. Not sure what it is. Let's look at the calendar. Maybe there's something for tomorrow. Yeah, today fucking sucked, dude. I mean, we're profitable, but it wasn't easy. Oh, is that today? Why don't you have that Top Step X, you motherfucker? Yeah, they don't have that labeled. I mean, it's not too crazy. Tonight, the Fed's speaking. You know, that could make gold move a lot, too. If you're, like, double thinking yourself, I probably wouldn't trade. That's why I'm trading very small. Or until you see a clearer picture. Alright, Friday. See, like, this just looks like it's going down, and then it just rips back up. I wonder if we should just do the opposite. And just buy the fucking when it looks like it's gonna fall. So Friday has some good news too, but it's not. That's dead. It's gonna be dead. Like, what the fuck, man? It looks like it wants to keep going. Let's look to see higher where this can go. Do a nice little trend fib extension. Let's see. Right at the 78 at 627s. Then after that, if it breaks above and it keeps going, it's going to 658s. Just close your longs on accident. Yeah, I wouldn't risk it. What is extensions? Let's see what happens when it gets to here. Steel looks very lackish. Maybe this just isn't it. Alright, I'm gonna delete this. Because I don't know what line it is. Could be anything like this. There's just not enough spots. Be careful because it's still just going from and no true reversal. This is where you're normally hurt yourself looking for reversals that never happen. Yeah, it looks like a grind. I'm more of just looking to see if it wants to pull back slightly. But it's... I don't know. It's got to have a little bit here. But it could just rip the fuck up. We have 627s. Five minutes until power hour. I don't really hope anything. I just want it to fucking pick a direction. But I wouldn't mind a slight pullback to get me out. If it starts grinding up way past 627s, then we'll have to close this for sure. And this normally isn't my strategy. I just saw some trend lines and I said, hey, let's, it looks like it's doing its thing, and it didn't. Or the trend line was too hard to tell because I keep adjusting it. And when you adjust it like that, it usually means, hey, you don't know which one it is. So this looks fucking long. As soon as I go long, it's gonna dump. But it looks fucking long.
Order
Alright,
filled.
I'm gonna go long.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Actually put 2 extra ones in accident here. I should probably redid it here, but let's see how it happens. It would have been smarter to fucking do that bottom of the trend line. And it just dumps, I'm gonna fucking lose my mind. I mean, it looked like it rejected like 10 times going up. But it never followed through, it was just grinding. Probably will. That would make sense, Daily. Or we could just not fucking trade. I got faked out a lot though. I should be up fucking way more than the money I have. It kept faking me out a little bit. This one's probably gonna fucking come down. Look like it's gonna rip. The problem with these when it goes like this is you look at all this like, oh, it went below the line 4, went below line 4 and it returned right. It went back up. Sorry, I just tongue twisted myself. Went below the line, went right back up. Below the line, right back up. Below the line, right back up. One time, it's not gonna fucking come back up. Hold on. Sorry, I had a phone call. Let's see. Unless you're talking about over here. I don't see the 15 one. I mean, you got this huge one here. That's it. But we're right in the middle of it. Unless you're meaning it needs to take, unless you're saying it needs to touch the top. Which would be fucking all the way up here. 647s. I think it wants to rip up again still. I was looking for that short, but it looks like it doesn't care.
Daddy? Is that you? Gillian, welcome to Bully Bears Trading. Okay.
23,629. And that would make sense too. Just go over to 78 into that. Wow. I just got fucking... Let's see if I can appeal it. Me too, because I'm like, this could be bearish or bullish. Yeah. That's why I'm like being cautious at the same time, but I think it wants to soul grab and then maybe go down. Me too. Because it is getting skinnier, right? The problem is that we've seen this like 6 times and it just rips right the fuck back up, but one time it's not. And I don't want to be that one. Alright, let's do a fuck you stop loss. Okay, we'll do a fuck you one. 609s. And then I'm trying to think of, let's see if they can find a different Fibonacci extension here. So we're at the 7/8 again. So it's either going to 631s or blowing past it. 646. Which I would love. Because that would really exhaust everything. What's this called? Extending wedge or some shit? When it does an upwards move and it looks like a pole and then it's extending wedge. And here's gonna be that death roll or fucking soul grabbing. Just gotta make sure it's enough room. I think it's enough room. Okay, this is what happened last time. We clearly thought it was out of the trend line. We had to redraw it like 3 times, so this is the same exact style before. I know. It's been draining us for days. Let's see where that 5-minute is. See, it still has some room to go down if it wants to. Come on, baby. Yeehaw.
Yeehaw!
Don't give me too many hearts. I don't know if my shit says banned. It says that my stream says I steer people away. It just happens fucking randomly. It's a part of TikTok life. I just didn't want to restart it yet. Yeah, push which way though? I don't know, it just fucking does it. Nah, I said I'm steering people away from platform. I hope it's up and dump. I don't give a shit. Just make a fucking move. It's hard to fucking entertain too when shit like this happens. See, that's like almost like a psych out almost again. I've readjusted this like 6 times, and every time it breaks below it, it fucking rips right back up. So until this starts fucking ripping to the upside, we shouldn't be looking for any shorts. Yeah. It's one of the... did it say something? There it goes. You see what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck, bro? I completely agree. This keeps happening. Let me go back to TikTok, see if it's
How this fucking hits and just rips like that every time.
Order filled.
See? What the fuck?
Order filled. Order filled.
Right to the top of this, though. It's probably gotta keep ripping. Okay, so my appeal was approved. It just passed now.
Daddy, chill.
Send it.
Send it, baby.
This trend line, though, has been spot on. You see it just keeps going, taps, and it comes back. Where's my trap one? Where's my trap beats, yo? Damn, boy. It's definitely going after them people. I feel like I should just take this out and we'll just have two
Order
left.
filled.
Order filled.
Playing with people's feelings. But you see how this fucking just went up? Now, did that soul collect? Let's look in a 30-second. I'm just curious. Hit TP 23,637. So in my opinion, this should go up to 650s. They're trying to soul collect.
Soul collecting.
Daddy, chill.
Now, this is a flagpole, and most likely, I don't want to get stopped out too earlier because it might fucking rip down a little bit. You can only advise people and they do what they're gonna do. Scary, but it might work. I'm content with my two that are still left. No matter what, we're profitable. Oh, you're saying your green line. super green, my friends. Thousands lost today. Jesus. They're sizing too high. Understood. $20 cons? What the fuck's wrong with you? Gangster. It's an emotional roller coaster. I usually stick to what I do is for every 50k that you have, depending on the style that you're doing, so like these buy signals, I would do 2 to 4. And then same thing for my soul collecting reversal. But if you got like a 150k account, then you can go up to, you know, like 12, 15. But off of this market lately, the past 2 weeks, I've been sizing down a little bit. Yeah, I can't handle that as I've done 20k trades, but the roller coaster that comes with it is not fun. Up 20k, down 20k, up 20k, down 40k. It'll fucking make you go cuckoo. I kind of like more of the steady funds, and us doing steady funds, we made, well, I made 45k, or we took out 35k last month, so. Well, it said August 10th was my last payout, so whatever you guys want to judge. What strategy do I use to trade? Well, I have my own indicators here that I coded myself. I have the short-term scalping, and then we have a reversal soul collector, it's called. The past 2 weeks soul collector has been a little rough, but it's because of the market. But if you traded, if you sized down, you would have been okay. What's level? Yeah, I thought you said it was hit already. 637. It's already hit. Alright, we got another buy off of this. And what did I say before? I think it wants to hit 650. I mean, 658 would be that 1-to-1. Ooh. What makes it a level 19 reversal, if you don't mind me asking, Holmes, before I get out? I do have an orange oversold here. And we're going to be profitable no matter what on this trade, so... It's level 19, so that's your highest reversal. That's your strongest one, right? I'm new to trading. Others are recommending ICT while others say SMC. What do you recommend? You got to find what works for you, to be honest with you. In my opinion, they're both fucking pretty similar. They just got different... They just call each other's names, like the terms different. That's it. No matter what, like learn like support and resistance, trend lines, and then you can start getting into ICT and SMC. Get like a good base down. If you want, you can join my Discord, and in the free section, the base... where it says like beginners no knowledge section, you can start learning there, and then you can start to pick up your pieces from there. Pivot levels, beast, my opinion. Whoa, I just got of extreme overbought conditions, multiple divergences, enhanced price action pattern, structured confirmation, smart money confirmation, session and time. Holy shit. Previous reversal zone. That's what I want to know right there. What day was that previous reversal zone that you're talking about, Holmes? You got the whole fucking... You said I'm going to throw the whole sink at it, bro. Oh. Gotcha. Yeah, if you go to the beginners no knowledge section... There is at least... It's going to take time, dude, so don't think you're going to just get on tomorrow and make money. You got to learn the basics. So, the videos I got posted there are... They're good. Other people made them, but I just post them because they're like, there's no point of making a whole new one. My Discord is free. My indicator is 30-day free trial, and then after that is $30 for the month. Which is cheap, in my opinion, compared to others. But you're going to have your fucking shitty weeks. The past 2 weeks, it's been hard. Then you compare it to last month, and it was fucking spot on. So... I would say it went from like a 90% win rate last month to like what? Maybe 60s. And it's gonna happen. But I think it's just this fucking week. I don't know, man. If this breaks above Holmes, this is gonna rip up. What language? I think it's the fuck is it? Hold on. I'm going blank. Because they have their own shit. Python is Thinkorswim. It could be reversal.
Order filled.
Why didn't this fill? Uh-oh. Great. It's not closing. I think your level 19 homes crashed the market. I just want to make sure that this is fucking gonna close.
Order filled.
Hello. Hello. Okay, it must have crashed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow, so if you were in this short, you should have been out on this candle here. But I was trying to say if there was a good reason to get in here, and it kind of looked like it was a good reason to get in. But again, it's been playing fucking games. Swap your stop loss. Yeah, this is fucking hard, man. It looks like it just wants up. That's what it's been the entire time. Let's look at the 5, because it's been hitting this cloud that I've had. Yeah, look at this. Over and over again for the past hours. You were long all day. We took a couple shorts and some longs. Look at this fucking soul collector. This thing fucking ate, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, we had this one actually, see, these were good. Over here, we went to the 30-second chart. We should have never fucking did that. We got stopped out a little bit. Well, I did. This one was good. Got our entry, and then we got off for a little bit. This one wasn't good. So 2 right, 1 wrong for the soul collector today. And then we haven't had one since. And now the 5-minute has just been Rip City. Who the fuck knew? You think it's bearish? It could be. You probably gotta wait a minute. Most likely we broke above this. And you see how it retested it? It might want to come up to 658s. Look at fucking TikTok just in case. Whoa, daddy. Day trader, day trader, day trader. Damn, this guy's got fucking 700 people watching him, dude. I don't know why I'm so low on this list. I'm like number 12 down here. Really weird. It's so hard to fucking figure out TikTok's fucking algorithm. I was in a 10 NQ scalp short and trade of 8 went down, huh? Look at me, 150. Yeah, I panicked. Because it wasn't closing on me. We made money in this uproar. So right here, I think it's going to tell you if this wants to short or not. Unfortunately, you probably would have to wait until it's taken out, right? 620s. Because this will be the higher low or lower high going down. But you won't know that until this move is done. Only got 15 minutes left. Yeah, I would just chill. It's just one of those days. We're green. Be thankful. It does look a little bit shorty, though. Not gonna lie. Yeah, it looks short. Well, you don't know. Am I a bull? Am I a bear? Or am I a bully bear? I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, I got no signals at all to do anything right now, but it looks short. But we've been wrong for the past hour until we just accepted it wants to go long, FYI. That 1 hour looks crazy. And look, it's right to the top of the 78% pullback, that 1 hour. Rejection with a hammer. I mean, unfortunately, the fucking market will be closed in 10 minutes, so it doesn't matter. 15 minute is so overbought, and if it goes below 624s, it might actually crack. The 5 minute is still very bullish. So everything else looks kind of falling, but it needs to close to confirm. And then you go to the 1 and 5 and they're throwing each other off. So nothing's really agreeing. Let's look at gold. Fucking look at gold. This must have been fucking hell to trade today. Look at Dow. Look at it. I mean, look at MNQ. I just like gold because of the never on the right line compared to the price action. I know. It's fucking steamrolling. My new version of Soul Collector has been really good on gold, though, for the reversals. This thing just said psych again. FYI. We're at 351, so we're either gonna get. Let's see if they released it. They didn't do the repo yet, right? Taking shorts? I don't know, man. Look at this shit. Maybe if we look at like ES or something. Nope, just a sloppy. Sloppy top. Can I say that on here? Dow has the reversal though. Interesting. Maybe look in the past to see if it didn't hold up. Well, that one we know didn't hold up before. It didn't hold up over there on MNQ either. Good. So this is one didn't hold up, and this one still says going down. It closes at 5, actually, depending on what broker you have. So, like, if you have Top Step X, it closes at 410. You have to have Get Out. Six. Eastern. So whatever it closes for you, it'll be 2 hours from now. No problem. Just, I'm telling you, that looked dumpish as fuck, and look what it did. All right, MOC misbalance. Let's see. They put 800. My live is not eligible for recommendation, restricted in search results because it primarily directs people off the platform. How? I don't think I have anything showing. Okay, I don't want to see that. Yeah, but I didn't, they allowed Discord. Later, Alma. It's just being funky. What I was trying to say is, NVIDIA agrees to rent its own chips in $1.5 billion deal. Fuck.
Order filled.
I'm gonna buy. We've been down this before.
Order filled.
And it always just keeps going. I don't give a fuck. Alright? NVIDIA just made a $1.1 billion deal, $1.5 billion deal to rent out its chips. And NASDAQ got an 849 million boost from MOC balance. Yeah, that one's pretty good together, Holmes, for sure. I like that. Stupid market. MNQ, Nasdaq had MOC rebalance. They injected 849 million, and then Nvidia just came out and said they had a $1.5 billion deal to rent out their chips. Now, let's go back over to here. We're way past it, most likely. Honestly, we might get the 23,748s. That was a very large deal. Does it make you feel better, Holmes? Yep, just came out. With news like that, I'm assuming yes. I'm assuming. Wow, it's like all the volume went from gold right to MNQ instantly. I'm gonna assume yes. This is MNQ features. But again, if it starts ripping down, then I'm going to say it's no good, right? But that deal is huge, so... I feel like this is going to be fucking hard to trade, though. If it doesn't just rock it up for me. See this area 2, we got to keep in mind. 700s. Ah, it's gonna fucking stop me out.
Stop filled.
Damn it. I still think it's long.
Order filled.
It's too tight. It was too tight. But if it doesn't hold here, though, and it starts closing, then yeah, we're wrong. I really don't want to get whipped out here. You fucker. Yeah, Maverick, actually, you're right. That might have been profit taking. 4 o'clock. Trader. He's a bot. Get muted. X6. People needed to close out their profit before 4. Yeah. Agreed. Damn. I just fucking muted him. Wow, this is fucking stalled. You know why it's fucking stalled? Okay, let's see. Trump asked the Supreme Court to let him fire FTC commissioner. he's I like that he's like informing us a lot and stuff like that, but fuck, he's right, big. I can't trade after 3.55 from where I'm in and I'm stuck with the sells. Am I doomed? Yes. I don't see this coming down right now. I don't see it happening. Oh wait, 355? It depends on where you live. Oh, Europe? It's this volume just fucking katooied. You would think after news like that, it would continue to rip up even more. Let's look at this. The only thing I think of is like 120s percent. Yeah. I think it's just what the market is right now. What did NVIDIA do? NVIDIA sold it to you? NVDA. Uh-oh. Might be dropping, to be honest with you. What the fuck? Like, the video's going down. MNQ is going up. Maybe I might just take my, I might just take my...
Order filled.
Order filled.
It really slowed down. Now it's gonna rip. What the fuck's going on here? Who's ripping what? That sounded really different way. What am I trying to put here? Apple? Something else had to come out. It went from sell to neutral. It's just the volume's dying. Pulse is still going up. Just remember it has been getting the mass swings. Yeah. Still green today. I still feel like it was rough trading, but we had to size down recently. Right, guys? I mean, it's not going to be peachy every day. Hasn't been peachy for 2 weeks. And this is why I'm sizing down. And we're still up fucking 550 and then on $77 on top step backs.
The market is closed.
Okay, top step backs is closed. That's really not that bad, daily. Look at this fucking thing. Would have made another $100. Oh, you fucker. Oh, 25K count? Yeah, that hurts a little bit. Later, dude. So, guys, let me get this out of the way. Tomorrow morning, I will be Discord only for the morning, and then I'll come back on around 2 o'clock or so for Power Hour and stuff on TikTok. I could let you know why I'm doing that, but I have to let you know in Discord only. And it's only for tomorrow, that's it. And then next week I should be on 4 days. Oh, you mean the way it's... I thought you meant something else. I get what you're saying. It's probably going to get up to my area. Tea time! Look at that. Woo! $6.98. That's why I kind of like to take them like just before the big number. That's insane. Crazy talk. You're watching the game called Ping Pong. This is crazy. Whoa. Yeah, it's gonna get real shady. This is cuckoo. Alright guys, I gotta get off. I might be on tonight. Since I can't fucking move much. So I might be on later tonight. But again, I'll be on Discord in the morning. And then I'll be on for Power Hour on TikTok. Link to my Discord is in the bio. If you're interested in using my indicators, under VIP section, there's a 30-day free trial. After the 30-day free trial, you can cancel if you don't like it. It won't hurt my feelings. It is about $1 a day after that. Other than that, I'll either talk to you guys later or I'll see you tomorrow.
Testing. Bully Bears is out. Later.
Daddy, chill.